how to change your username on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can change your username on TikTok. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to change your username on TikTok, what you want to do is first of all go ahead and simply launch the TikTok application first. Make sure to sign into your account. After you launch the TikTok app and sign into your account, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon from the bottom of the screen and you'll come to this page right over here. Once you come to this page, you want to just tap on the option called edit profile, and once you tap on the edit profile option over here, you'll be able to find the option called username. So just tap on it. Once you tap on the username option, it says your username can only be changed once every 30 days, which means if you change it now, you won't be able to change it for the next month. So you have to be very careful on this. Just enter the new username that you would like to change to, and once you change the username, what you want to do is you want to come back and save the change. In my case, I already changed it before 30 days, so I have to still wait till the next month as well. And that's all it takes to change your username on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.